Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a project on Netlify. Whether you're cleaning up old test sites or removing projects you no longer need, this process will help you keep your Netlify dashboard organized and clutter-free. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.netlify.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in with your credentials to access your Netlify dashboard. This is where all your projects and sites are managed, so make sure you're signing into the correct account. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your dashboard. Here you'll find various navigation options for managing your Netlify account. Click on Projects. This will display a list of all the projects currently associated with your account, making it easy to locate the one you want to remove. Now, browse through your projects and select the specific project you want to delete. Clicking on it will open up that project's main dashboard where you can view its settings, deployments, and other details. This is an important step because you want to make absolutely sure you're selecting the right project before proceeding with deletion. Once you're inside the project, look at the left panel where you'll see several configuration options. Click on Project Configuration. This section contains all the critical settings for your project, including the option to permanently remove it from your account. It's here that Netlify keeps the more advanced management tools. Next, scroll down through the project configuration page. You'll pass through various settings and options as you move down. Keep scrolling until you reach the bottom section of the page where the deletion option is located. Netlify intentionally places this at the bottom to prevent accidental deletions. When you reach the bottom, you'll see a button that says Delete this project. Click on it to initiate the deletion process. Netlify takes project deletion seriously, so they've added a confirmation step to ensure you're absolutely certain about removing this project. A dialog box will appear asking you to confirm your decision. To proceed, you'll need to type the exact name of the project into the provided field. This acts as a safeguard against accidental deletions, ensuring you're fully aware of which project you're removing. After typing the project name correctly, click the Delete button to finalize the deletion, and that's it. Your project has been permanently removed from Netlify, freeing up space and keeping your dashboard clean and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.